Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is another vlog, another weekend vlog. We do have plans again this weekend, so that'll be exciting. I hopefully will vlog more this weekend than last weekend, or just in general. I don't know, we'll see. It's Saturday, so Michael has I got a text. Oh, Michael has, why can I not think right now? Michael has physical therapy, so that's where we are right now. We were a few minutes late, and so he called to let them know, and they were like, well, we're gonna be really busy, so it might take a while. I'm like, ugh, okay. So I had brought my my iPad, and I was playing games, and then I was like, well, I should vlog, so I'm doing that right now. But it's already 10:30, so hopefully he'll come out in the next like 15-20 minutes. It is getting hot. He did leave the key, so I will turn the car on if I get like really hot. But the plan for today is we're going to Six Flags, so that's super exciting. We're going with Steph and Luis. So we all got passes because, dude, Six Flags is so freaking cheap for a pass. If you want to pay for it like all at once for the gold one, it's like $100, and then if you want to do monthly, it's $20 down and then $7 a month. So if you do monthly, it ends up being like $4 more, but I mean, like, who really cares? It's $7 a month. So we got those. We're gonna head out around like 2 today. I do want to go to the mall while we're in this area, and then of course we need to eat, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, I'll take you guys along. I'm just gonna sit here and wait for Michael. Okay, so I'm in the dressing room at Old Navy because I wanted to look at these dresses that I saw last time for a wedding I'm going to next weekend. So I'm gonna try these on, and then I just saw some like basics. So these shorts are 18 bucks, and then this tank top is $3, and I was like, if I like the way it looks, I'm just gonna pick up a couple different colors. Oops. And then I saw this top. It's like a, I'll just try stuff on it and I'll show you guys. Okay, this is the first top. I like it. It could also be like a little more cropped. I like the neckline. Of course, I'm wearing like a, it's not even a sports bra, it's like a lounging bra. So you can see it, but I like it, and I feel like I want to get this maybe in another color. We'll see. I don't know how much this is, so I'm gonna have Michael scan it for me. This is the next one. This is like a tank top that's literally $3. I like it. I feel like this is a large, and it fits fine, but I kind of want it like a little tighter. Maybe I'll get a medium. I don't know, but I'll probably pick up like 2 or 3 in different colors of this one. Michael said that other shirt I tried on was $6, so I probably will get that in another color too. But this one is $12. I do like it. I like the fit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this one. Also, not my nail. So this is the first one. It's the black one. They're pretty much the same dress. It's just a different pattern or like color. I think it's so cute. I think it's so flattering. It is longer than I thought it was gonna be, but I mean, it is what it is. It's cute. I don't know. I texted a picture to Adina, so we'll see. Oh, she said that's really cute. So we'll see. This is the tan one. I think I like the black one a bit more. I just think it looks better like on my skin tone. I feel like this one kind of like washes me out. I don't know. I'm not really the biggest fan of it. Also, my camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna stop vlogging. But I just wanted to show you guys this at least. Can you stay here while he's driving? Yeah. Hello, you guys.
Coming.
Such crazy turns.
It's a regular turn. I don't know why you left to sit there and
going
kept your eyes
crazy driving. We left. My camera was dying when I was at Old Navy, so I could not vlog anymore. I bought some stuff. I'll show you guys later on, or probably tomorrow, but it'll still be in this vlog what I bought. One of them being this shirt. Super cute. And they sucked me in, and I ended up getting an Old Navy credit card, which I had been thinking about, but my total was like 160, 180.
60 something.
Yeah, and then it ended up being like 85 and then like 90 something with tax. So, and we got a lot. Like, Michael got a couple shirts, and then I got the dress for the wedding, and then just some like basic like tees, which I've been needing. So that's nice. And then we got food, came home, and then, oh, okay. Came home. Isn't that for the fast track though?
No, the entrance is over there, but there's no exit in time.
Oh, to where Luis is?
To where Luis is.
Oh, we came back to Michael's house. I got ready, and then yeah, so now we're about to go pick them up and then we're gonna head out. It's already 3:20, so much later than we thought, but it's honestly hot out, so it's okay if we're only there for a couple hours because we'll be back eventually.
We have the pass anyway.
Yeah, so we got passes. I don't know if I mentioned that. We got passes because, oh, I did, because it was just cheaper. So we'll be back eventually, and there was literally like $26 for this time to go.
$20 up front, and then $6 or $7 a month after that. And
then if you were just to buy like a single day ticket, it's like 45 or something. Like, did you look?
No.
I think it was like $45 or like almost $50, which I'm like, if we literally just go twice, we paid it off. So that's probably what'll happen. I think we're gonna go more than twice though.
Oh, sure.
Not during the summer, but definitely once it gets like cooler. But yeah, we're on our way, and I will vlog once we get there. I was gonna end the vlog, but I remembered that I got a new flavor of Alani. It's the strawberry sunrise. I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys. I feel like the road is bumpy. It's yummy.
That's a new flavor.
Here, you want to try?
Sure.
It's good. I like it. It's probably one of the flavors I like more. Yummy. It's so hot. We had a couple drinks in the parking lot, but we're here now.
Yeah.
Ah, my glasses.
Oh my God.
You're supposed to catch them. Hi. We're gonna ride Hudson.
It says an hour here, but it says 5 minutes there.
Let's go check it out, and then not people waited.
We're looking at the white times right now. This is my first time here, you guys. I've never been. That's crazy. It's like almost 8 o'clock now. It's 7:47. I went on 2 rides, and then my back started hurting, and I'm scared I'm gonna get a spasm. So I'm sitting while they're riding rides. They went on Scream and something, and then they're on Twisted Colossus. So now I'm just sitting here waiting while they come out, but it's fine because honestly it was so hot, and like some of the I've never been. This is my first time at Six Flags, and I didn't realize that like the waiting areas in some ones are like not air conditioned, so it's like so fucking hot in some of them. I had to have a fan. Thank God I have my fan. But yeah, I'm just chilling, waiting, and then I think they said this is gonna be their last ride, and then we're gonna go eat, which I'm starving right now, so I'm excited for that. But if you've never been, this is what it looks like. Oh, I was thinking when we were over there, you could see part of the ride, but there's part of Screaming, I think? I can't see myself. Okay, Michael's holding it while I need to walk back here. Michael's holding it while we're walking to go get food. Yesterday, Six Flags was fun. My back started to hurt though, so the last 2 rides I did not ride because I was scared I was gonna have a muscle spasm, and I cannot survive that if that were to happen to me again.
It's good that you didn't know, because they were kind of crazy.
Yeah. So we did that, and then we went to go eat at BJ's, and then we came home, and that was our night. And now it's Sunday. We're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna come home. My love has to grade some papers. I have to edit many YouTube videos, and that's all. Okay, say hello to the people.
Hi.
Okay. Bye! Don't I look so great right now? My hair, I can't. Anyways, it is Friday. It's my Friday off. Thank you, Jesus. I've just been so busy at work, and I'm just glad it's the weekend. We have a busy weekend this weekend, but this is in the middle of a vlog because I looked at last week's vlog and it's like 10 minutes long. So I'm just gonna vlog today, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday will be a whole different vlog, just because I feel like 10 minutes is so short, and I feel like I didn't do anything in that vlog, and most of those clips were like me in the dressing room, which you guys are seeing or already saw, and I was like, I just need to add on. So that's what we're gonna do. Today's Friday, it's my day off, like I said. The goal today is to clean my room, my bathroom, laundry, and hopefully my car. I don't want to clean out my car, but I really need to. And yeah, I was gonna get a pedicure, but I'm being cheap right now because I called, I was like, oh, what appointments do you have today? And she's like, we're actually free right now. It's also like 10:40 in the morning. Is it? Oh yeah, 10:42. Our microwave is wrong. It says 4:31. Interesting. I was like, oh, can I call you back? Because I was like, I'm not ready to make it. I don't want to go right now. And I'm being cheap, but we have some plans. Next weekend, I'm going to LA. Michael is leaving me for Mexico. I'm honestly so sad. I cry thinking about it sometimes because he's going to be leaving me for like a month and a half, and that's so sad. And then, so I'm going to go see him that weekend. But that same week, Ariana and I are going to Vegas. I had so much trouble saying that right now. We're going to Vegas, so I'm like, my stupid ice maker. I'm like, if I'm gonna get my toes done, this is quite literally the only time I have to do it. I could do it tomorrow. I need to turn this off. I was supposed to be getting my hair done today, like right now, like 10 a.m. But my hairstylist texted me and she had to reschedule. And the only time that worked for both of us was tomorrow. And she was like, 7 a.m. That's crazy, but it's fine. At least I'll be up and then I'll be able to be productive. So maybe I'll schedule it for tomorrow in the morning. I just don't feel like going anywhere today. I told myself I need to go to the bank, but like I really don't have to. I'm like rambling on about what I'm gonna do this weekend, but it's not even in this vlog. So I'm gonna cut all that out. I did one load of laundry so far. I'm gonna continue cleaning my room. Didn't really clean, I just put away some laundry, but I need to finish cleaning my room. I'm in the process of cleaning, and of course I'm putting clothes away, and I'm like, I need to organize this. I have been telling myself I'm gonna organize it since we moved in, because when I moved in, I think I had a lot of stuff like on hangers that I just like carried over on hangers. So I was able to hang that stuff back up. When I was living at my dad's, I had, let me flip this camera around. I had a closet like similar to this size, and then I had a clothing rack because I had the space for another clothing rack. So the clothing rack was like mostly the clothes that I wore often, like my work shirts, going out stuff. That's what I had. But this is kind of like everything. I just ran up and down the stairs, that's why I'm out of breath. And I honestly, like, it's so hard for me sometimes, like when I'm getting ready in the morning, to like find what I need. So I need to organize it, and I think I'm gonna do that right now because I have the will, and if I don't do it now, it might not ever happen. So we're gonna get this done. I also don't remember if I ever showed you guys the shirts that I got from Old Navy. So I think I tried this one on in the store. It has like the higher neck, so I got this color, and then I also got it in like this blue. And then I tried this one on, and did I vlog at Six Flags? I feel like I should have. I think I did. Well, I was wearing the red version of this shirt, and I got it in red, this color, a light gray, and then black. And then I bought this tube top because I'm obsessed with tube tops, and I just hate being hot. And then this is the dress I'm gonna wear to a wedding this weekend. So that's what I got from Old Navy, but I'm gonna put everything away. Here's an update. I don't really think I showed you guys too much like inside what it was before, but it's organized for the most part. It's not perfect, but I'm already over it, but I did what I really intended to do. So here I have, first in the front I have some bodysuits. These are like plain short sleeve and long sleeve shirts that I can either layer with or just wear on their own. I have these two are like long sleeves, like something that I could throw a cardigan over if I needed to, so I can wear these out and then also like to work. And then this section is primarily just like shirts I wear to work. Some of these I will wear outside of work, but I like to just have them all there. And then I have all my cardigans because I normally will wear a cardigan with a work shirt. And then here's all my graphic tees. Graphic or like kind of like, I have a couple of these just like plain. Some of these are just men's, but then I have like my actual graphic tees here. My Disney, I have a bunch of Disney shirts, which I should probably go through, but it's fine. And then some extra long sleeves, and then my Spirit jerseys. And then I kind of want to move this, but these are like going out, like weekend shirts, I guess, like stuff that I don't wear to work. And then all my dresses, and then I have skirts, and then I have some sweaters over here. I don't have many, but I'm debating if I have enough sweatshirts and sweaters, I might just put them in a vacuum seal bag and put them under my bed. But jeans I'm gonna put on the other side, but that's what I have here so far. And this is really the section that I go to the most, so that's why I wanted to organize it. This other side has, like, look how many sweatshirts take up this section. Like, I could have so much more room, but I have a lot of my pants here. Thanks. Shout out to Adiana, because she's given me like 4 pairs of pants in the past like 2 weeks. And like some of these are like thinner, which I'll definitely keep for the summer, but I'm like, I don't need this many sweatshirts, like this fucking vest, or like these like furry ones. I think I'm gonna vacuum seal those and put them away. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I also want to like utilize up here more. I don't know, but it's pretty much good for the most part. I do have a lot of laundry that I'm doing right now. This is what I look like. I'm a mess. But I'm doing laundry. You could probably hear it. And I'm gonna put that stuff away and then finish actually cleaning up my room. I do want to do my actual nails because they look rough. And then I haven't had like a real meal today, so I need to figure out what I'm gonna have for dinner, or like a late lunch. But it's only like 1 p.m. right now, so I still have time. It's pretty early still in the day. I kind of want to take a nap, but we'll see if I get to that.